changes in the climate are unprecedented in thousands of years. It is indisputable that human activities are causing climate change, making extreme climate events more frequent and severe.
The climate crisis is real, and it is here. Nearly 1/3 of Americans lived through a climate disaster last summer.
The impact does not affect all of us equally.
Those in our society with less power and fewer resources, already more vulnerable, are often hardest hit.
Jewish values compel us to confront this crisis,
and our commitment to Jewish community compels us to do so together.
Acknowledging the existential threat and moral urgency of the climate crisis, 20 national and international umbrella Jewish organizations have come together in our commitment to climate action, forming the Jewish Climate Leadership Coalition.
Our coalition represents major Jewish organizations engaging millions of people of all ages and backgrounds across the world. Together, we recognize the urgency of the climate crisis and our obligation to do more.
We commit to climate action.
We commit to climate action.
We commit to climate action.
This winter, as we head into the first Tu B'Shvat of a new 7-year Shemitah cycle, we will release our climate action plans.
With commitments from each of our organizations.
We will continue to meet regularly and to report publicly on our activities, accomplishments, and commitments each year.
We invite Jewish organizations everywhere to join us.
Join us.
Sign on to the coalition and create your own climate action plan.
Our goal is for hundreds of Jewish organizations to participate so that we can take collective action on this critical issue.
We're here to support you in leading climate action in your Jewish community.
The Jewish people have a long history.
Our ancestors endured suffering and calamity, then rose to meet the next challenge.
It is our generation's imperative to confront this existential crisis together with communities across the world.
The 146 Jewish federations will share in this leadership with all of our partners.
Our children and grandchildren need us.
Our children and grandchildren need us.
Our children and our grandchildren need us.
So let's come together to take action.